cooking just got easier with the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It offers a variety of ways to perfectly air fry family favorites using 98% less oil. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity oven can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. This oven offers a wide range of temperature options, from 80 degrees to 450 degrees. With low temperatures, you can slow cook, proof dough, and dehydrate. The high temperature options are for baking, broiling, and air frying. This intuitive unit is equipped with a wide range of digital programs such as bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, reheat, warm, and dual cook. Additional one-touch air frying presets include favorites, fries, chicken wings, nuggets, snacks, and veggies. The one-touch dual cook feature enables you to combine 2 cooking types such as bake, broil, pizza, and roast, and run them automatically. Use the defrost functionality for items such as toast bagel and pizza. You can even control the fan speed from low to high for precision convection results. The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, an LCD screen, integrated quick reference guide, stay cool handle, and an interior light to keep an eye on your food as it's cooking. The stainless steel appliance features a modern design with a sleek touchpad control panel and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. With an 1,800 watts of power extra-large capacity and a multitude of functions, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers state-of-the-art results.
It's time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the COSORI Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our COSORI chefs. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Schedule cook times hours in advance so you can coordinate every part of the meal while leaving room for a little relaxation. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.
Shake up your diet. The GoWISE USA air fryer requires little to no oil to make food that is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. That means you can eat this, and this, and even this with only a fraction of the calories. Its 7-quart interior provides enough space to feed the whole family. With a temperature range of 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can make a vast variety of dishes. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, all in just one touch. You can even create your own healthy snacks using the dehydrator function and 3 included racks. Not sure where to start? We've got you covered. Each air fryer comes with 100, that's right, 100 chef-tested recipes. We'll bring the ideas, you bring the ingredients. Running a little late? The keep warm function means your food is ready when you are. Best of all, cleanup is easier than ever. With 3 styles, choosing the perfect appliance to match your kitchen is simple. Order yours today.